Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Ash, a trusted medical aesthetic doctor. Today we are going to dive into a topic that you have been curious about, which is mole removal. Mole removal is a very common medical aesthetic procedure, and I'm here to guide you throughout the process. On the procedure day, your skin will be cleaned with antiseptic and local anesthetic will be applied to ensure your comfort throughout the process with minimal pain. The CO2 ablative laser is a highly focused beam of light that precisely targets the mole, leaving surrounding tissue undisturbed. As the laser is directed at the mole, it works by breaking down the pigmentation within the mole. The energy from the laser is absorbed by the melanin, causing the mole to disintegrate. The precision of the CO2 laser minimizes the damage to the surrounding tissue, promoting quicker healing. After the laser mole removal, antibiotic will be applied and post-procedure care instruction will be given to ensure optimal healing. It is important to avoid sun exposure and follow the recommended skincare routine during this recovery period. Thank you for joining me, Dr. Ash, in this video. If you found this video is very informative, don't forget to hit our button like, share, and also notification. Thank you. Until next time.